welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to give you a full tour of my apartment here in Nairobi that I just moved into for the month of February. I took it out for an entire month. And I'm going to show you why this option helps with living abroad, making it not complicated and not stressful. This place isn't just a place to sleep. It's a lifestyle setup, from a gym to a coffee shop to all-inclusive utilities, restaurant, to a small little marketplace, almost like a convenience store, all under one complex. So it's basically like having a mini community at one location. So if you've ever thought about moving here, or even just an extended stay for like a couple of weeks or a month, this video will help you navigate and help you have less headaches. Stick around for it.
I'm tired of waiting here. Same four walls, same fading year. Got these plans stuck in my head. Southeast Asia calling me instead. Bangkok nights in...
You walk the building. It is gated. It is a very quiet neighborhood. It's the Lavington Kilauea area, and I ended up choosing this area over Westlands in Kilimani because it's a bit more quiet, less traffic, and very walkable. I feel safe to walk here even at nighttime, and I like it a lot. So, and the fact that this apartment had everything I wanted a gym. I often go grab a coffee in the morning. It's got Wi-Fi in the coffee shop, Wi-Fi in the restaurant, Wi-Fi in the gym. It's got a full gym, and it's even got a marketplace. It's like a little 7-Eleven, but a little bit more. It's got drinks. They sell eggs, bread, ice cream, all kinds of stuff. But anyway, it's clean, it's modern, it's safe, and it's in a great location here in Nairobi. Security is solid. You need a key fob. Well, first you got security and gate to get in. Then you need a key fob to enter into the elevator bank, and then you need a key fob to get up to your floor, and then of course the key to get into the room. So extremely secure. Really feels almost like my condo in Bangkok. It's secure. It's very secure. And the cool thing about this place is you almost feel like you don't have to go anywhere. You have a whole, if you want to chill at home for the entire day, you got a restaurant, coffee shop, everything you pretty much need just to kind of hang out for the day. It's basically like living in a proper city setup. You know, before I was at the last location, I'd have to go walk next door to the grocery store. I would walk next door to the coffee shop or the restaurant. And now it's all at one location. All right, so let's talk amenities. The building honestly is like a mini community. First up, you got the gym. Fully equipped, clean, right in the building, so you never have an excuse to skip a workout. And they even have classes. So for those who want to do like a kickboxing or Zumba or things like that, they have classes as well, which is great. Next, there's a coffee shop. It's perfect, you know, for mornings. Like I said, that's routine. I usually go to the gym, and then I go grab a coffee, and I bring my laptop down and do some work. But perfect for mornings, grabbing a quick drink, or even maybe meeting some friends. Then there's a small grocery market. If you need basic supplies, you don't even have to leave the building, which was a great feature. And then finally, a restaurant on site. So if you don't feel like cooking, you got options, and very reasonably priced as well. Okay, so now let's kind of step inside my actual apartment. And the first thing you notice is the space. It's considered a studio, but it's a very large studio, I would say. It's large enough where I have a big L-shape sofa, as you can see here. I can fully stretch out. Two people can fully stretch out on this thing. No problem whatsoever. And I think it's comfortable. I think it's modern. It has everything you need. Checked out all the cooking equipment. It's got everything. And I like that it kind of feels homey, but also professional. Need to work from here. And the best part, this is all part of an inclusive setup. So it includes internet, electric, water, cleaning twice per week, changing sheets and towels, and all of that's included. So here's why this setup is amazing, especially if you're living just maybe visiting for more of an extended time like me. I've been here now going on 2 months. I'm probably going to end up being here 3 months. The plan is that I will finish off February in Nairobi. I will head to Rwanda for a few weeks and then back to Bangkok. So the total price for this is $70. Off the top of your head, you may say that seems a little pricey. But for what you get, including the internet, the electric, the water, the housekeeping twice per week, I think it's worth it. I think it's totally worth it. So there's no deposits, there's no surprise bills at the end of the month. I mean, heck, even if I was to live here, this might be something that I would want to do because you don't need to buy any furniture, you don't need to buy towels or sheets or really any kind of cooking stuff. It's already all there for you and it's just included. So for me, it probably would be worth it even long term. It's definitely less stressful too when you're concentrating more on your work, your travel, or just enjoying your time here. Moving into the kitchen, it's pretty small, but it's functional. It's perfect if you want to make meals. I mean, gosh, it's got an oven, a stovetop, microwave, toaster, refrigerator. And so if you want to cook at home, you got everything you need here to cook. And honestly, though, with the restaurant in the building, I don't cook that much, but it's nice to have the option. The dining area is non-existent. There is really no dining area here, but I've got tables off to the left, and I always eat in front of the TV anyway, so it really doesn't make a difference for me. The bedroom is comfortable. It's quiet. It gets good natural light, perfect for sleeping, working, or just relaxing. You'll notice that there's no air condition here in Nairobi, and that is because it's needed. It's moderate temps year round. And I've got a fan and the windows open wide open. There's no street noise or anything. So it's perfect. Bathroom, pretty modern, clean, no complaints here. This is kind of the setup where you don't feel cramped. You know, the sink and everything is outside of the shower and the toilet area, and the laundry area is all within that one spot. But it feels more like a for me rather than just a rental. And what I really like about this apartment is how it kind of fits into my life. Everything I need is literally right here in this building. Gym, coffee, groceries, food, and I don't have to deal with any bills. I pay the one price and boom, that's it. I'm done. So it makes it super easy to focus on other things like doing my morning hikes, meeting up with friends. I might even go to the driving range when I'm here, and dating. And I'm a big movie buff, and so I like that I got this big L-shaped sofa to just lounge out and watch movies. So that's a full look at my apartment here in Nairobi. This particular area is the Lavington Kilawasha area. It's kind of right on the edge of both. So for me, having a place that's all-inclusive, packed with amenities, is worth it to me. They don't have a pool, which was not a big deal for me. I really didn't need it. The gym was the important thing. The grocery store and the restaurant were much more important to me. And again, it removes a lot of the stress when you're living abroad or visiting long term, and just kind of lets you enjoy life and enjoy the sightseeing. So if you're moving here or considering an expat lifestyle, I highly recommend looking for apartments like this. One monthly price, everything included, and it really simplifies day-to-day living. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this tour. Make sure to hit the like button, the subscribe. Wait, every time I come out with a... And as always, I will see you in the next one. Ciao. Sick of dreaming, want something more. Pack your bags, don't hesitate. Gio, let's go before it's too late. Time keeps slipping away from us. Keep living like this. Away from us, away from us. Gio, let's go.